Are you seeing the Npmproxy Library DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. Before starting the detailed Npmproxy library fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the Npmproxy library, the Network Provider Manager Proxy. It manages the unmanaged COM marshalling for network provider queries. It facilitates the localized discovery of network shares and resources within the Windows shell. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Since Npmproxy Library DLL is a protected OS component, the most reliable fix is to verify your system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to have Windows detect and restore any damaged system binaries. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Npmproxy library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Warning: Npmproxy library. DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. A structured registry approach is outlined in the software linked below, including Npmproxy library management references. To keep Npmproxy library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.